What's that? First vlog. Got a new build coming for you guys. Figured I'll film it, see how many views we can get on it. But I'll give you a walk around how it's looking right now. That way, I'll probably do a time lapse too. I'll time lapse it, all the tear down, and then probably stop and explain some stuff here and there, how it's doing, or how the bike is. And then, yeah, we'll figure it out as we go, but let me flip this bird on. This thing's about to make me look like a ghost. Here's the bike. I peeled all the graphics off, and I didn't clean the residue off it, so there's still some like dirt, like you can see, but it is what it is. These plastics are coming off anyways. I got a whole new, actually I got a list. I got a list of all the stuff that I bought, but it's a little rough around the edges right now. We'll clean it up, get it dialed in. So it's my list. I'm gonna end up putting those forks off my KTM 500. These are actually KYB forks, and I'll put the air forks off this 19 KTM 300XC onto this thing because I'm using this bike for desert, so I feel like that's gonna be a good combo for that bike. But anyways, yeah, folks, what I got coming for this new bike is a key in with the stick, Architect head, SX CDI box, red power off spring adjuster all the way out, a FMF fatty, a Pro Circuit R304 shorty, all orange plastics, customized graphics, handguards, grips, and a few other small things. But yeah, this thing's fast. I sold my 2021 TPI Husqvarna to get this because I wasn't too sold on the TPI bikes yet. I want to wait until throttle body injection comes out, and I'll try those once they get those things dialed in. But TPI almost felt like 4-stroke still. But yeah, I rode this thing. This thing freaking rips. I wasn't expecting that. Might give the 500 a run for its money, especially with all this stuff I just ordered for it. But yeah, we'll start the tear down, and I'll quit blabbering on. First time I've had one of these air boxes out, and I'm gonna have a freaking rough time putting it back in, I feel like, because you gotta get it snapped in all the way around that freaking bottom part. That's gonna be rough, but that's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna clean that right now too while I'm at it. Take this side off. Basically stripping everything right now, and then all the stuff should be here tomorrow, so I'll have to resume the video when everything shows up. But yeah, I'll take these forks off right now and swap them with those and these grips, because those things are going to be thrash after one ride. That was that was a little bit hard to turn, but whatever. So yeah, oh yeah, this is the stock CDI box. I ordered a SX because the XC, the timing is a little bit slowed down, I guess you could say, but it's actually retarded. Timing's retarded. Anyways, the SX one's advanced, so he'll give you a little bit more bottom all the way up to top end power and over rev. So that's sweet. To mod that everybody should really do. It's only 150 bucks and probably one of the cheapest, best mods for your money you could do for these bikes. But yeah, I'll check back in when it's all the way apart. Alright, got the fork swapped over. These KYBs are looking fresh. I like them. These forks feel so much better than those air forks and like the rocks and like just really everything. High speed, they feel great. It's like a good versatile fork. Those air forks I hated in the rocks. It was like just deflecting everywhere. It's like you couldn't get it soft enough without, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but these things really do their thing in the desert. And it still won't be as good as the KYB, but I don't want to pay freaking $2,000 for these forks to have two of them. So I'll deal with it for now until I figure something out. But yeah, I think we'll end this video off here. Still need to get new tires and then start off putting all the new stuff back on. We'll see you guys next time.